Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of password managers, exploring what they are and why they're essential for your online security. Let's talk about how to choose the right password manager. Look for features like secure storage, ease of use, and multi-device support. Setting up your password manager can be quick and simple. Follow these steps for installation on your devices. Transition smoothly by importing your existing passwords into your new manager. Here's how to do it effortlessly. When creating new accounts, remember these best practices for generating strong passwords. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. With autofill, logging into your accounts becomes a breeze. Just one click, and you're ready to go. Don't forget, your password manager can generate secure passwords for you. Let's check out how to leverage this built-in tool. Enhance your security by enabling two-factor authentication. It adds an extra layer of protection for your accounts. Regularly updating your passwords is crucial. Set reminders to change them often for better security. By using a password manager, you're taking a significant step toward keeping your digital life secure. Thanks for joining us today.